Carb looks good. Checking the timing now. Got the gaskets ready when you need them. This bolt is giving me trouble. Try the ratchet. I'll check the intake. Good call. It's coming loose. Okay, let's get this old girl cleaned up. Sounds good. I'll start on the hood. This door gap is packed with dirt. Yeah, get it clean. The engine looks okay. Headlights are filthy. Let's start here. Right, I'll get the taillights. Got the cleaner. You take that side. Looking better already. This side's coming clean. Yep, almost done with this wheel. All right, let's get this interior sorted. You got it. I'll check the undercarriage. Careful with the starting switch. Got it. Scrubbing now. Check the control board too. This engine bay is a mess. I'll start on the steering wheel. Switches are next. It's looking better. Let's start on the door panels. On it. This grease is thick. Coming off now. Better. This old girl's seen better days. Yep, but she's clean now. Time to get her fixed up. All right, let's blast this gunk off. Yeah, this is going to take some elbow grease. Good progress already. All right, starting with the degreaser. Good. I'll check the brakes. Looks like it needs a scrub. This grease is thick. Let's get it off. Yeah, this scraper helps. Almost there. Good. Keep at it. This wiring is a mess. Yeah, but you're getting there. Almost done with this section. Good. This wheel's seized bad. Engine's worse. Grab a brush. On it. This part's coming clean. Good. Keep at it. That looks better. Now wipe the back. Yeah, getting there. Let's get these corners clean. Right, I'll get this one. Careful with that rust. All right, rinsing the bay now. Looks good. Now get the oil stains. Drying it off now. Perfect, much better. Finally cleaning this old beast. Yeah, it's about time. This rust is stubborn. All right, let's get this old sludge out. Pans in place, go ahead. Here it comes. All right, loosening this old filter. Got the new one right here. Thanks. Almost done. All right, cleaning this plug. Looks like it needs it. Yeah, threads are clear now. Good, ready to refit. All right, grab the new filter. Got it right here. Okay, threading it on now. Looks good, tighten it. All right, tighten the oil cap securely. Good, I'll finish up this wheel. Done, let's check the rest. Cap's tight, she's ready. All right, crossing my fingers. Give it a crank, firing up now. Hell yeah! Check the oil pan for drips. Yeah, it looks dry, I'll check the lines. Good. Valve interior. Right, I'll get the passenger side. Wiping at double speed, dashboard's next. Almost done here. Let's clean this beast! Grab the backs. This is intense. Almost done. How's it looking in there? Just a quick brush, it's coming along. Good, engine's next. Steering wheel's a mess, let's clean it fast. On it, I'll get the controls. Scrub harder, make it shine. All right, let's get these carpets clean. Yeah, make it spotless. Let's get these seats clean first. Right, I'll grab the cloth. Good, that's looking better. This console's filthy, wiping it now. Good, I'll check this wheel. Let's hit the rails next. On it. Almost there. Let's speed clean these trims. On it, rags ready. Circular motions, fast. Looking good. All right, time to get this dash shining. There we go, looking better already. All right, let's hit the interior hard. On it, this dust is flying. Keep going, almost clear. Done, looks better already. All right, engine's done, let's hit the interior. Got it, opening her up. Wow, look at that shine.